Hi, my name is Lauren Walker. I'm going to be talking about speech generating devices today. That was one of the communication systems that I reviewed for my paper. These devices require the learner to press a picture or word or symbol on the screen that will depict an item, an activity, or a response or statement, and then the synthetic speech output will say the word or say what is on the picture, the symbol. Tablets and like iPads and other things like iPods and even iPhones can be converted into these speech generating devices. There's an application that I actually found on my iPhone that was free that I'm going to show in just a minute that would be able to be used as a simple speech generating device. Some research by Laura in 2015 showed that people with autism prefer these speech generating devices over other communication systems such as sign language and the picture exchange communication system. And they also found that language acquisition was quicker with this preferred method. A benefit to the speech generating devices is that the targeted individual does not have to gain the visual attention of the person they're communicating with. Since the device speaks out loud, you wouldn't have to be looking right at the person for them to be able to talk to you. Obviously, everybody almost has a smartphone or a tablet now that they keep with them all the time. So the social stigma of having a device to communicate with is pretty much non-existent because, like I said, everyone carries something around with them all the time. There is some cost involved. Like I said, I was able to find a free app, but some of the better or more widely used speech generating devices, those applications can be expensive. Well, another benefit is that you just have the tablet or the phone to carry around, where with like the picture exchange system, you would have all the little cards and everything that you would have to carry around, especially when the person's vocabulary continues to grow. So I will quickly show you how this works. The app that I found is called EE Speech Lite. I'm going to try to show you. That's what the app looks like, so you can try to find it. And it has a section for a child and for an adult, and it has different buttons, that's calling them. For the child, it has family, school, food and drink, places to go, clothing, feelings, greetings, activities, toys, nature, and body parts. And then for the adult, it has family, basic needs, feelings, clothing, meal needs, food and drink, places, and money matters. So we'll go to the child and say you're working with someone and you wanted to ask them, how are you feeling today? And they can push the button.
Happy.
Or
sad.
Or
hungry.
And it lists pretty much the most common feelings that people would have. And then for food and drink, if you wanted to ask them, what would you like to eat today?
Pizza.
Or
cookies. Hot dog.
So it has several different foods and drinks that they could choose from. The ones that are a little bit more elaborate, you could actually fine tune it. You could have the person's favorite foods or their favorite drinks or their favorite objects, favorite activities. This one you can't customize. Say you wanted to say, what would you like to do today?
Go to the library. Ride a bike. Snack time.
So it goes through.
Play with friends.
It has, pretty good range of options for them to choose from. So I thought it was neat, especially since it was something for free that I could use on my iPhone that, for people who might not have a lot of extra money to spend on things, they could get something as simple as this to use to communicate with their loved one. Thanks for watching.